What is that?
This is oil, so that when the hive beetles crawl in here, they get trapped in the oil and it kills them. Bottom.
Hive beetles. There's one right there.
Bad. That's why we're going to put these in the freezer to kill it.
Cool.
Eating it.
Oh, I can see where they ate. Yeah.
Fondant. Yeah, they're a little confused as to why I'm messing with their stuff. It'll be alright. Try and keep them from losing too much temperature in the cold, you know?
Yeah. Hey, little ladies. And our bees are super cool. Like, I can touch this.
And they're real. I want to get new bottom boards.
Oh, you can see it there too.
Yeah. I want to get new bottom boards, poorly made.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.